असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतंगमय Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Education. I thought every letter of education has some meaning, you know. E stands for EQ. You have to develop your EQ. Because EQ is something which you can change even at the age of 60, 70. Forget about in pediatric age group. IQ is probably God gifted, but EQ we can change. And EQ comprises of empathy, social connect, understanding your emotion, channelizing your emotion towards positivity. So all of us who are here, we have to practice EQ. D stands for dream. Dr. Kalam साहब बोलते थे daydreaming की बात. I say it is dreams. It is not dream, one dream. It's dreams. It goes on. But for that, you have to have the determination. You have to have the diligence, the hard work you have to give. Then EU. U is understanding your life. So I'll request all my friends here who are here that go and understand what is the meaning of life from your grandparents. I'm a geriatrician, so I will invariably talk about elderly here. So go and understand what is the meaning of life from your grandparents. So if I ask any of you, what is the meaning or purpose of your life? So someone says, I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer, an IS officer, journalist, teacher. But my grandpa told me, you should, whatever may be your profession, you may be doctor, you may be engineer, you may be politician, you may be civil servant, but goal of life is the way you have received this planet, you have to make this a better place for that. All of you agree with that? So we have to make this planet better irrespective of our profession, and we can do that. Everybody has that potential. So then EDUC, C is courage. Courage to have practiced truth and non-violence. Remember, practicing non-violence is much more difficult than practicing violence. So we have to practice truth and non-violence. This is very, very important. Being a student, being a learner, we have to practice that. Every day we have to practice that. Then aspiration. A stands for aspiration. All of us should aspire to do something great. And remember, this learning is a curve which is a lifelong process. The point I have mentioned, it can be even at the age of 60, somebody can have aspiration to do something great. So EDU, CA, then T. T stands for trust. Trust in yourself, trust in your body, trust in your mind, trust in your soul. Because without trusting yourself, you cannot do anything. And this, everything is thought. But to keep your mind healthy, to keep your body healthy, you have to exercise every day. How many of you exercise every day? Please raise your hand. Very few. I think I'm also a learner, so I should also practice exercise. Exercise is a must, because I am seeing the end of life. Someone who practice exercise throughout his life, he is better, even he is more immune to COVID crisis. So exercise, we have to exercise our body, we have to exercise our mind, and we have to be happy. So then trust ke baad I is inspiration. Inspire yourself, inspires other. And remember, no one of us competed to each other. Even in same class, we are not competed. We compete with, किसके साथ हम compete करते हैं? Yes, we compete with self. From little darkness to little brightness. We practice that. And success is a continuous process. Success is not a story of one class, two class, three class. It is a lifelong perspective. And then O is oneness. Oneness of yourself and environment. This COVID crisis has proved that how mighty are we in front of this Milky Way or universe. Just one small mighty virus has just stopped everything. So oneness with the environment, oneness with your friend, then you start loving each other. There is no place of violence anywhere, Gandhiji, I have visited many countries. There were many big leaders, many famous leaders, many great leaders, but Gandhiji is one of such leader जिनका bust या concept या picture या writing नहीं है ऐसा. I think there is no country. So, and again you see, non-violence is not weakness. Someone has a gun in front of you and you have only a small stick or you don't have anything. You are standing in front of him means in your mental strength you are much bigger than someone who has the gun in front of you. And last is new N. In education, if I say N is the last letter, is new possibility. There are immense possibilities. There is immense path. We just don't think, our parents who are here, we should not think भाई education में कुछ नहीं हुआ तो इसके बाद क्या होगा. There are so much of options we have. But yes, if you are not developed your emotional intelligence, if you have not practiced each and every letter of education what I mentioned, then it is difficult. जरूरी नहीं है हमें किसी एक चीज में we have to be successful. So as a learner, we have to be empathetic to each other, we have to be non-violent, we have to be determined, we have to dream. Definitely we have to dream. Every day you should have I dream every day, new dream in the morning. I wake up and I think and as a learner, what new things I can learn. I learn many things, even after coming here also I learn many things.